आफ्टर कोविड ये फर्स्ट लाइव शो हो रहा है तो काफ़ी टाइमों के बाद, आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 2 years। सो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ उसके लिए और लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड के लाइव शो देखने को मिला है बॉम्बे में आफ्टर 2 years के बाद, बिकॉज बॉम्बे के बाहर तो लाइव शोज हो रहे हैं मतलब बॉम्बे में ज़रा रेस्ट्रिक्शन की वजह से, कोविड की वजह से नहीं हो रहे थे। एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड और ये मेरा 2nd year है सस्मिरा का एनुअल शो जज करने का। एंड टैलेंट्स लास्ट ईयर भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे, लाइक इंस्पिरेशन मिला हमको भी स्टूडेंट लोग से। एंड दिस ऑल्सो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड के क्रिएशन और उत्साह और न्यू कुछ क्रिएटिविटी मिली हमको और इंडस्ट्री के न्यू टैलेंट्स का लॉन्च कर सकें।
Introduce yourself for the benefit.
I am Mihir Mehta. I am Vice President of SASMIRA. SASMIRA is a very old and reputed institute of Mumbai city. We are there since almost 65 years and we are one of the recognized textile institutes, not only in India but all over the world. We have more than 40,000 alumni and students who are there in very high positions in industry and trade, not in Indian industry as well as international industry. We are part of the fashion show today for our fashion students. It's called Enchante. That's the theme of the show, and the theme is art decoded. Our students have interpreted old art and modern art in their own way as an expression by bringing it to clothes and fashion clothes as such. It's an extremely new theme. It's going to be an exciting theme. Our students, faculty and the entire team have worked extremely hard to give a fantastic show for all of you. Please enjoy the show. Please recognize the talent in our students and please also recognize SASMIRA. Thank you so much.
पैंडेमिक के बाद आपका जो इंस्टीट्यूट है किस तरह से प्लान किया है सब प्रोग्राम?
Pandemic by itself has been an extremely great learning experience for everybody concerned, and our team has geared up very well for online training, online teaching. Even the practicals are being done online, and for some practicals the students were called but with due care taken for to see that they were not affected at all. Our students by itself are very focused, very extremely hard work, and our faculty is trying to train them not only in garments and fashion but also about textiles, about weaves, all fabrics, yarns, filaments. So our students, once they come into industry, they are going to be all-round professionals.
सर जो नए बच्चे फैशन इंडस्ट्री में कैरियर बनाना चाहते हैं उसके लिए क्या मोटिवेशन?
ये फैशन इंडस्ट्री जो अभी है वो तो अभी बडिंग इंडस्ट्री है, अभी एकदम इन्फेंट स्टेज में। जो हम यूरोप में देखते हैं या अमेरिका में देखते हैं उसके सामने हमारे देश में तो ये अभी बडिंग थी। तो यहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इतनी ज़बरदस्त है कि बच्चे अगर कल उसमें जो भी कला है और दिखा सकते हैं तो बच्चे की फ्यूचर बहुत उम्दा और ब्राइट हो सकती है। तो ये एज अ कैरियर बच्चों के लिए, उनके पेरेंट्स के लिए और उनके भविष्य के लिए बहुत अच्छा कैरियर है और SASMIRA अपना योगदान दे रही है जिसमें उनका आगे भविष्य अच्छा बने। और हम लोग को इच्छा है कि आगे के भविष्य के बड़े बडिंग डिज़ाइनर्स जो होंगे वो SASMIRA से भी निकलेंगे। 2-4 तो निकल चुके हैं और भी काफ़ी इट्स नॉट ओनली ब्यूटी एंड ब्रेन बट क्रिएटिविटी। और क्रिएटिविटी जो होती है ये जो यंग माइंड्स में जितनी फ्रेश क्रिएटिविटी होती है और वो लोग आगे अपनी कला के अंदर जो उनके गारमेंट्स है, उनके ड्रेप है वो लेके आते हैं, वो बहुत ही अद्भुत है। और जो अद्भुत है ये इंटरनेशनली रिकग्नाइज भी है। अभी काफ़ी इंडियन डिज़ाइनर्स तो इंटरनेशनल स्टेज पे बहुत ज़बरदस्त रिकग्निशन और कोई नाम ऐसे हैं जिनके गारमेंट्स लाखों के भाव से बिकते हैं। तो ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
मीता गांगुली, could you just introduce yourself for the benefit of our viewers? Group center. मैम अपने नाम के साथ
Meeta Ganguly, and I'm very happy that this is happening today, SASMIRA, SIDT, the fashion show finally, and I'm sure actually that this has been quite a challenging effort for all, and क्योंकि ये बहुत अभी I think last year के बाद after the pandemic और we are still not over with the pandemic, and we are having this at a physical in-person level. So जरूर बहुत ही challenges आए होंगे, but amongst the students, the faculty and everyone, the whole team, and I would actually wish them all the best, and I'm very excited actually to be here today. My association with Sasmira has been for almost more than 6 years. It's been a beautiful journey.
Geeta, you are a fashion designer and you are also an academician.
Yes.
So, being an academician person, what are the future trends that you are having in mind for training the students?
The main thing would be, a lot of things that are moving on to the digital platform have already moved on to the digital platform from the physical level, and I think today's children actually are born in the age of the tech age. So they are already born with the passion and the interest towards technology. So moving on from the traditional way of learning to tech way of learning has not been very difficult for them. It has been pretty challenging for the faculty, but we have picked it up, and the trend is going to be, I think, the digital platform, and I'm sure the children are pretty much geared for it, and the institute as itself is definitely geared for it. So the children who are coming here and training themselves are definitely in good hands. So that's definitely there. So I would.
I am Dr. Krishnendu Datta. I am the Dean of Sasmira's Institute of Design and Textiles. I am heading the entire department where fashion, textile designing, apparel merchandising and various other full-time and part-time courses are there. We also have a degree course from Mumbai University in fashion designing as well as one in textile design.
Since how long are you there in this industry?
I have been here in the industry since the last 25 years. Okay, and rather than me, I would like to tell about the Sasmira's Institute of Design and Textiles. We are the only college in Maharashtra which is offering the degree program in fashion designing and textile designing in collaboration with the University of Mumbai. No other colleges have. So we are a pioneer in that sense. Okay, offering the degree in fashion designing and textile design.
कितने वैरायटीज के कोर्सेज हैं?
हम लोगों का बेसिक 3 भाग में है. एक तो फैशन डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स है, एक है टेक्सटाइल डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स है और एक है अपैरल मर्चेंडाइजिंग का. इसमें फुल टाइम कोर्सेज भी है और पार्ट टाइम कोर्सेज भी है, इंडस्ट्री ओरिएंटेड कोर्सेज भी है.
जो नए बच्चे आना चाहते हैं इसमें, उनके लिए क्या है?
देखो, एक तो द फ्यूचर इज एक्सट्रीमली ब्राइट फॉर द फैशन एंड द मर्चेंडाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री. You will understand that everybody requires garment. Everybody wants to look good. It will never die, be pandemic or not. People are just waiting to go out there, shop, online, offline, anything. So for them, we require designers. For them, we require textile designers. We require fashion people. We require merchandisers to do the entire thing. So the future is very bright. And for them, students need to be there to train and go into the industry, join the industry and cater to this huge industry.
Thank you.
Visual artist. I think this show is very important because I think we are celebrating the artist, and these artists saw the world in a very different way. So I think so I'm like really excited to see what will be the show.
किस टाइप से आप आज के इवेंट के बारे में कॉन्टेक्ट कर रहे हैं, किस टाइप
So I think I'm very excited for this show to see how the fashion designers will come up with the ideas and curate the whole art decoded concept in the ramp. So I think
as a jury, what are the challenges you face when you take a decision on some because it's all creative? How do you take a decision?
I think as a jury, I think it's important to see how the concept is being articulated in a like a much creative way. So I think to judge it will be all kind of like colors, textures, shapes, and so I think it will be overall conceptual twist that artists will make and that will be judged.
Is this voice switch fine? Alright. Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Priyanka Pedgeri, Course Coordinator of Design Department at SIDT. I welcome all of you here for this show today. Thank you for joining us.
Regarding the course design, how do you make the course design? How to relate to the industry and how fast you implement it? Because you need feedback from the industry. The same thing has to be taught because we have a gap in our students. They are not up to the mark.
Yes, so we ensure that our syllabus committee has the best of the experts from the industry, and we keep on revising our syllabus to make it at par with the industry standards as per their requirements. We train our students according to their requirements, and whatever feedbacks they give it to us, we ensure that they get 360-degree knowledge with respect to design and fashion. Also maximum inputs regarding textiles, and that's how we keep our students updated.
So I'm Krina Parekh from BSc FT from Sasmira College, and today is a fashion show. So the whole journey of fashion show has been very interesting. The mentors have trained us so well, and the whole journey has been so enjoying also, and we have learned a lot from this whole fashion show this year. Apart from such a pandemic, we have been, these people, the mentors have been able to come up with such good facilities for us, for such big, huge fashion show over here. So we are very thankful for that as well. And the whole journey of doing this whole fashion show from top to bottom has been very, it's been a task, but it has been very interesting and very knowledgeable as well. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Shilpa Borkar, Placement Officer at University of Mumbai's Garware Institute of Career Education and Development.
Sir, could you share about your courses? What is the need of the industry and what are the courses you are training on, and how do you bridge the gap?
Actually, let me first say that it's my privilege to be here, and I'm very happy to say that the Sasmira Institute and the Garware Institute, we have come together and started this particular course. Actually, this particular course was started in the year 2017, and it is a very much needed of the hour because the fashion design is not something new which is going on. If you look at our history, it starts right in the era when chaos like Ellora and Ajanta were going on. There you can see this matching combination, and it is very apt now that we have come up with this kind of particular course. And it is like an educational institute coming with a professional institute, and that is really going to give more output, and the students will be benefited from this.
Regarding the placement of the students, do you think the students are getting, all the students are getting placement, or there are some students who are lacking?
So there is definitely a lot of placement opportunities, and not just as employees but employers as well. So students who do not take up positions in a corporate or with a designer or an already existing establishment, they start on their own and they are freelancers. So there are ample career opportunities for everybody who wishes to be in this field.
Hi, this is Madani Jagtap, and I'm a fashion designer and one of the youngest entrepreneurs.
How long have you been in the industry? When did you actually start off?
This is my 12th year.
Wow.
So yeah, it's been very long. I started as, अभी मैं बता दूँगी कि मैंने start किया, मेरा age पता चल जाएगा, which is not a good thing to ask. But let me tell you, I started when I was 21. So yeah, the journey's been long and extremely good.
Over the years, what changes have you seen, and where do you see the future of the industry?
You know, over the years is too far. I am talking about this industry changes every 6 months, I feel, because I had to take a sabbatical for 2 years because of my health, and I was off the industry for a good 1.5 to 2 years. And when I came back, everything here was changed. Right from the format of shows to fashion shows to how events worked and everything, and that's where I realized that when you're in it, you don't know what the change is, but when you leave it for a while and come back, you know exactly how much has changed. Yeah, it is a constant. It's just like how you say where creative people have constant creativity and things are changing for them. Exactly how our industry works is what I feel.
One last question, one word of advice for the young upcoming students.
It's unfortunate right now that probably because of the pandemic and probably because of the situation right now, maybe the opportunities may go lesser, but I believe that this industry has worked for everybody, right from a dress dada to biggest fashion designer, and there are tons of opportunities. So don't give up, keep working hard, believe in your goals, believe in yourself, and honest.
Thank you, madam.
It's the area in Maharashtra, second in the country. It's called Bacha Party and not Basegate. I've become like a lady Santa Claus in Mumbai, from Thane to Malad, Powai, Parda, where all my outlets are. Everybody probably recognizes me because of that. And yes, so I'm known as the Bacha Party lady right now, and it's a pleasure being known as the same. So much of love from the parents and the kids, so it's amazing.
Could you say a few words about today's event?
So I'm really looking forward to this event because these college students, they have so much of talent. Because before I started Bacha Party, I was also doing PR for a lot of these fashion designers, Manali. Being there, I've been with her for so long, and I've known her and I've been friends with her for so long. So seeing this new talent budding in today, I'm really looking forward to this show. And even more exciting because I'm going to be with Manali again, and we're going to do this together. So it's super fun.
वैसे तो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अपने व्यूअर्स
नहीं, it's always nice to meet yourself because कुछ नए लोग हमेशा होते हैं जो आपको नहीं जानते हैं और जो आपको जानते हैं उनको बहुत अच्छी तरह जान सकते हैं. My name is Amit Dolawat, primarily actor, face of a lot of brands like Asian Paints, primarily a lot of good television shows done. Currently also have a big show on air for Star and Disney Plus. It's called Nine Action, the central role, and I love doing different things. जैसे कि this also interests me a lot of fashion and coming in encouragement, क्योंकि एक वक्त था जब मैं स्टूडेंट था तब कुछ जजेस आते थे हमारे कॉलेज में हमारे इवेंट्स के लिए और हमें encourage करते थे. उनके encouragement की वजह से हम आज यहाँ हैं. तो जब भी मौका मिलता है कि जहाँ पर जाकर अभी अच्छा शो देख सकें, कुछ नए लोगों को encourage कर सकें. So I'm here and I'm also here for my friends Shai Logo and Namrata. So that's what.
So what is your advice to the budding entrepreneurs who are wanting to come into the fashion industry?
I think the first right step is education, which they've already taken. So right education, a lot of hard work, sincerity, of course, luck would play a lot of important part, and constantly going with the times, adapting is the word actually. So that's my advice.
It's a beautiful fashion show. I've heard a lot about it, or this is the first time I'm coming here. और बस मैं यहाँ आया हूँ. I'm just here to motivate the students. जितने भी students हैं उनको मैं मेरे कुछ incidents, मेरी journey, मेरा जो path जो रहा है, मैं किस हिसाब से उनको inspire कर सकता हूँ. बस it's all about that, and it's going to be a great event, I'm sure. I'm looking forward to it यार. बस अंदर जाके मेरी performance है अभी कुछ ही समय में, so looking forward.
आपके कुछ upcoming projects के बारे में?
जी, upcoming projects में there are lots of songs which I've been writing and composing since a lot of time. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारे गाने हैं. बॉलीवुड में कुछ लोग के साथ गाने हैं. मैं चाहूँगा जब वो गाने आए धीरे धीरे तभी आप डायरेक्टली वो गाने सुने. मैं चाहूँगा. आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू रिवील इट.
इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
सर ये फैशन शो वगैरह में ये आई थिंक मेरा सेकंड चांसेस है. मतलब आने के लिए आज मौका मिला. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, और ऐसा सिचुएशन में आने के लिए इतना मौका नहीं मिलता है. हम लोगों को, हम तो म्यूजिशियन हैं, सिंगर्स लोग हैं, तो बहुत ही मतलब भाग्य की बात है, बोलते हैं ना, वो किस्मत की बात है. अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके. और
आपका नया एल्बम उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
सर वो एल्बम नहीं, वो फिल्म है, कल ही रिलीज होने वाला है जी सिनेमा पे. वो काफ़ी लॉकडाउन के वजह से हो नहीं पा रहा था, जबकि अप्रैल 18 तारीख को रिलीज होने वाला था 2020 में. तो 2020 तो गया लॉकडाउन में, 2021 भी चला गया लॉकडाउन में. तो फाइनली जी सिनेमा पे रिलीज हो रहा है. फिल्म का नाम है हाथी मेरे साथी. राणे डगुपति और पुलकित सम्राट के
एक स्टोरी है बेसिक ओरिजिनल स्टोरी से इंस्पायर होकर वो फिल्म बन गया है। अब जब भी कल रिलीज़ होगा तो आप लोगों को पता चलेगा। बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी है, आप लोग ज़रूर देखिएगा।